Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Mahmoudi and welcome to my channel. We are now at KL Bird Park, so let's see what they have for us inside. Come, let's go! This is a very beautiful water feature here. And what we have here, tilapia fish, koi fish. Wow, the tilapia look delicious. This is a ticket booth. So this is a bird. So this is the park map. So we are here, main entrance. So later on we all walk through this. First of all, we buy ticket. So we have the wristband. So if you want the cheaper price, you buy online, have 10% discount, but you have to at least one day earlier. Come, let's go. We go inside. Oh, inside the cage. Hello, buddy. You can see the bird is not. We are inside the cage with the bird. That's what they call free flight bird. So you don't look for the bird outside the cage, but you are inside the cage with the bird. Some birds are inside like this. I think the bird is mating. It's not every day you see a mating bird. I think I disturb their romantic time. Oh, this is one a beautiful tree. See, you see a lot of birds here. Yeah, take the handle. Okay, the bird shit. See a lot of birds inside the tree. The stock here. I wonder if there is fish inside. You won't get to be near peacock like this. Let's go up. Yeah, so beautiful. Oh, don't too close. We see the bird going to eat all this fish. Balanced ecosystem by the management. How they make it. That is the right. This is a fish food kiosk. They said don't feed the bird, but you can feed the fish. You can feed the fish. 50 to 1 ringgit for each. Yeah. Even though Kuala Lumpur is very hot at this moment, it's around what time is it? 11 o'clock like that. But at least with so many trees, nature, it feels cool around here. It really feels cool. I love the nature. Ah, yes. When you from up here, you can see how many birds down there. Peacock, the crane bird. If you watch Kung Fu Panda, you know this. See Mr. Peacock opening up. Yeah, open wide. Oh. Is it beautiful? So like they're dancing. The bird.
Dia tong sayang beruhu. Enggak sih bagus.
So among here, when you come here, you can see the description of the bird: white-breasted waterhen, helmet guinea fowl, domestic turkey, Indian blue peafowl, red jungle fowl. Yep, to get information here. So here we have the hunter booth. Yeah, Mr. Owl. They are resting now. The owl is resting. Looks scary but beautiful. Yeah, Mr. Owl. This is the eagle. Wow, it's eating a fish. Hello. It's a peacock. So this side, what is it? Eagle feedings. 2:30 p.m. daily. So we come a bit early. So if you come around 2:30 p.m. you get to see the Brahmini kite eagle feedings. So there it is inside. How big is the area? You can see Merdeka 118. There's the peacock in the trees. I may be pretty, but I have an attitude. I will bully anyone who disturbs my personal space. Mr. Ostrich. Now I know how big is the ostrich. The monkey is stealing the bird food. Help! Somebody help! Okay.
Ah, there it is on the roof. Still eat leaves. There it is on the roof. Still eating leaves. What do you know?
The monkey are showing off to us. They will show how they go out. Then that one young mother and the baby. You can see over there. It's nursing the baby. The monkey is nursing the baby. You can see there. There's a water ribbon. Looking for the fish. It's a strange bird. Hello, birdie, birdie. So one incident, you see, there is one peacock escape. I'm not going to going outside the cage. Escape. See one bird escape. This is crane. Native.
Almost
They,
hit me.
the bird hunting for fish. Hope there is enough fish there.
Fresh water.
These
Yellow.
freshwater birds. The ibis, egret, stork,
What is this?
heron.
Hindi na macam. Hindi na pink bro.
See, get the fish. Wow. Yeah, wait. So there is a lot of bird.
I'll show this one pa. Madam.
You can see it's one over there. Pelican. We have pelican. Amazing view, amazing view. Flamingos feed on brine, shrimp, blue, green algae.
Ano ba ang sada rin ako?
So here, as you can see, there is domestic goose. I remember this goose during my time to kid. They are very fierce. This fierce goose. And the goose, white goose. There is a flamingo. Beautiful waterfall. I think we're halfway through. We see a lot of things and monkeys, birds. Oh, around here, what is it? Ah, domestic birds. Okay. The cage on my back is a domestic bird cage. It's a view. This is ayam serama. Don't fool by the small size. It tastes very delicious. the domestic ayam kampung. Let me see. Okay. There is a duck. There's the pond. We have the koi and tilapia fish. See, the duck is swimming. The duck is swimming, right? Beautiful duck, beautiful duck. A monkey stealing the bird food. This time a papaya. And a lot of them coming down. Oh, this is a knowledge block. They will tell you dust bathing, why they do it, it's a process.
Dust bathing, sun bath.
So just scroll. This is dust bathing. The blue dust bathing. Get in the blue. Why they do it? Then another blue. Yeah, so it comes. Already go to what zone now? Zone 2, going to zone 3 and 4. Among all the peacock, I think this is one of the most beautiful ones. So this is the activities.
Bird,
You can see
bird show, okay?
bird show is around 12:30 at zone 4 amphitheater. Now we go to
Zone 3.
zone 3. Okay, we're going to go to zone 3. So on the left side we have a cafe, Hornbill Cafe gift shop. Okay, Hornbill gift shop. So there gift shop on there, and there is a cafe if you want to take something to eat. Gift shop. This is a gift shop. See what they have here. There, ice cream.
Yes. Ano, nakaray nga.
This is zone 4. You can see the parrot here. Our superstar.
No, I said.
Now 20 ringgit. Foto berapa? 20.
20 seorang bang. Ini family package 40 high quality.
Family package 40 high quality.
Boleh kenalan yang satu lah. 8 ekor burung pegang bang.
8 ekor gua pegang 40 ringgit.
Nah, ini sudah. Ini baru ambil gambar. Nah, macam ini kak pegang. Banyak burung.
Dia tidak.
Kata.
Oke, sudah sini dia tulis abang strip saya.
Okay. So going to take a picture.
Nah, yang mana yang
Going to take a picture with the bird. It's 40 ringgit for family, for twin. Okay, a lot of that.
ada yang satu di tengahnya. Relax ya kak. Jangan buat tak tahu ya, relax. Ada yang relax ya. Jangan takut. Good boy. Kalau tak pegang burung rugi deh. Nah, nanti ada kenangan. Kalau udah besar, ada kenangan. Semua ada lapis kak, relax ya. Ada pun, nah ada pun lah. Kalau ini boleh tangan dikit.
Okay.
Kuat, kuat kak. Berapa?
Berat sangat sih.
Iya. Oke dah. Oke senyum, abang senyum ya. Jangan pejam mata tahu. 1, 2, hai. Oke, handphone. Handphone. Oke senyum. 1, 2, 1 by 1. Oke. Good boy. Kakak. Pandang huruf kita. Oke, cantik. Abang ini angkat sedikit, nanti gigit. Kakak dengan abang pandang dua-dua, lutut shadow. Nih. Cantik. Bahasan video. Oke, Albert from Malay.
Ada gambar saya seorang.
Oke. Saya Albert boleh sayang ke belakang. Albert sayang. Sayang manja. Sayang dulu, sayang.
Morning bird, morning. Yeah. Morning. So this is our picture we take from the bird park. Yeah. One for the memories. We take some snack and drinks first. Maybe an ice cream will be nice during the hot day. Wow. Okay, I get mine. This is the endangered bird of Malaysia. It's called. Okay, read here. Up here is off limit. World of parrots. This world of parrots around here. Two-way. On the left side, you see the world of parrots. Waterfall aviary. The management office on the right side. See. On the left side, the parrot is on the cage, and so there's some free parrots around roaming around. Cockatoo. Out from the parrot world, we go to the left. Waterfall aviary. And now we are here. We're going to down to the fall. Okay. It's an oriental bird.
There's the ostrich.
Wow, down there bigger ostrich. Chicken. Who want to eat chicken?
Me.
Ooh. There's ayam serama. Waterfall aviary is closed for now. Water aviary this time around is off limit, closed. So we're going to amphitheater. Waiting for the bird show. It's around 12:30. So this is when the bird show. 12:30 and 3:30 p.m. daily. So you can see the road. It's very good. They all have this tropical garden at the main city area. It's only one of it. Actually at Kuala Lumpur we have Eco Park. We have a lot of parks you can go. At the amphitheater there's a playground, small playground for the kids. Here one. So there is broken tree branches.
No, I want to go to the playground. Go.
Video.
No.
So we're going to take our seats. These are our seats. Try to get as near as possible. It's a pity you cannot go to the fall. Right now
to Royal Bird Park and welcome to our bird show today. So, before we start our show, how are you guys feeling today? Good? Yes, alright. So, my name is Rizwan and I'm your host for today. Okay, a little information about KL Bird Park. We have started our operation since 15 February 1991. And we are housing around 2,000 local and foreign birds with almost 100 different species of birds. Okay? So everyone, are you guys ready for the show? Yes, very good. Okay, now let's welcome our first performer. Please welcome Ringo, our blue and gold worker. Thank you. Alright, Ringo is a patriotic bird. Yeah, well done. Thank you so much, Ringo. Yeah, good job. So Ringo just raised our national flag of Malaysia. Now let's continue. Please welcome Ariel, the African grey parrot. Okay, W E L C O N E. Welcome. Yes, very good, Ariel. Yes, so Ariel, just welcome everyone to the bird show today. And right now, Ariel would like to show you acrobatic skills. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. And next 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Wow, good job, Ariel. Thank you so much, Ariel. You're very good. Okay, so skillful, right? So for your information, African grey parrot can learn around 1,000 words. You know, parrots, they can learn a lot of tricks and say a lot of words also, yeah? Okay, now please welcome Coco, our yellow-necked Amazon parrot. This is Coco, yeah? Yeah, yellow-necked Amazon parrot. Okay. So how about we have a little chat with Coco here? Yeah, Coco, over here. We have a lot of new friends, Coco. Okay. How about you say hello to them? Hello, yeah, just say hello to all of you, alright? Now Coco, over here we have pretty ladies, okay? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi, yeah, Coco just say hi to all ladies. So sweet, right? Coco, how about you say something to kids and children here? Okay, guys, let me give them a happy hello. Happy hello, yeah? So happy. Well done, Coco. Alright, okay, Coco, now I have one simple question for you. How do you feel today, Coco? Do you feel good or not? Good! Wow, Coco feel good today. Alright, that was great news. I feel good too, Coco. Okay? I hope you guys feel good too, yeah? But Coco, are you sure you feel good today? If you feel good, can you show them your happy expression from your heart? Wow, nice laughing. It means Coco feeling so happy, right? Okay, now can we try one more time, Coco? Okay, well done. Alright, thank you so much. Give me a hand to Coco. Thank you, Coco. Yeah, very nice laughing, huh? It means Coco feeling so happy. Good job, Coco. Thank you. Well done. Okay, so everybody, let's continue. Up next, we are going to have a free flight performance, which we are going to see how the birds fly, okay? And the next bird, we are going to have pigeons. I think everyone has known pigeons before, right? You can see a lot outside, right? Pigeons. But pigeons also, they have good ability, yeah? Which is they can fly very far distance, okay? For example, pigeons, they can find their way home about 1,300 miles away, okay? Right, ready? Where's our pigeons? Alright, over here. Okay, that's our pigeons. We have 2 white pigeons. Okay, by the way, the pigeons also, they have ability, yeah, they are very smart also. You can teach them a lot of tricks. Because you know why? Previously, the army, yeah, used them as a medium to deliver important message to certain location, right? Okay, thank you so much, Origin. Well done. Okay, so up next, we are going to have free flight performance by parrot. Okay, so as a reminder, everybody please remain seated. Thank you. And before that, can I have one volunteer from adult? This side. So those who are standing near our trainer can become volunteer. Yes, sir. You want to be a volunteer? Want to try? No. Okay. Sir, can you? No, also. Okay. Anybody? Adult. Any those who are standing near our trainer? Okay, don't want, huh? Okay, it's okay. We have our trainer there. Okay. No volunteer, it's okay. Okay, now please welcome Eden, the Atlantis parrot. Alright. So right now, Eden, we fly towards our trainer. Ready? Yeah, nice flying, Eden. Well done. Okay. So Eden is a male Atlantis parrot, huh? Okay, thank you. Let's try one more time, Mr. Mo. Maybe we have one volunteer this side. Anybody want to try? Go on. Come on. Very simple. Hold the purse only. Yes, sir, over there. We have one volunteer there. Okay. So it's one only. No, we have one. Okay. Be careful, huh? Watch your step, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Okay. Eden, one more time this way. Yeah, alright. Good job. Okay. So, Eden is a male Atlantis parrot. Okay, for your information, male Atlantis parrot they have green feathers, you know, and females have red feathers. Okay. Alright. Terima kasih. Thank you so much. A big hand of volunteer. And thank you, Eden. Well done. Okay. And for your information, the Atlantis parrot, they are native to the region of Oceania such as Australia and also New Zealand, okay? They are originally from there, alright? Okay guys, up next we are going to do something more interesting because we're going to have a racing competition, okay? It's a racing time between two parrots, alright? So, let me get something first, okay? Okay, by the way, thank you for visiting Kuala Lumpur today and thank you for joining our bird show, alright? Oh sorry, not this one. Wrong item. Okay. So for the racing competition, I have two poles and some rings here, blue and yellow colors. Okay, two birds will put back the rings into the pole, and whoever finishes first is the winner. Okay. So let me invite our two competitors. The first one, please welcome Tommy, our blue and gold mako. Welcome Tommy. Okay, and the other one, please welcome Popeye, also the blue and gold mako, bring to Popeye, okay? So this is Tommy and this is Popeye. And before we start the race, I need the cheerleaders, okay? Supporters. So I will divide you guys into two teams, okay? Alright, the first team, Team Popeye, how about this side? So you guys will be cheering for Popeye, okay? Let me divide from the middle here, under my right side. You guys will be cheering for Popeye. Okay? You guys very sporting. Okay, let's try it first, Shout as loud as you can. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Popeye. Very good, thank you everyone. Alright, so another team, yeah? From here, under my left side, you guys will be cheering for Tommy. Okay? Over there, Tommy. So shout as loud as you can. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. Excellent, thank you everyone. Okay, so let's get ready with the rest here. Team Popeye, blue side, and Team Tommy, yellow side. Okay, remember your birds, right? So, Popeye and Tommy, ready? Okay, so who will win the match here? Let us see. So everyone ready, yeah? Now let's start on your mark. Get set and go! Come on, faster! Come on, join us! Popeye, Tommy! Popeye, Tommy! Okay, to Popeye, very good also. Alright guys, we're moving on to Popeye and Tommy. Thank you. Wow, well done to you, Popeye. Oh, sorry, Tommy, yeah, the winner here. Very smart move. It's okay, Popeye. Next time do it better, okay? So we have a prize for Tommy here. What is it? This one. Yeah, congratulations. Are you alright, Tommy? Well done. Okay, guys, over here we have a sliding board. Okay. Yeah, special one for Tommy. Okay. So are you ready? You know, Tommy, very talented bird, can play many tricks. Okay, and now. Zoom! Nice sliding, okay, well done, alright. Okay, good job Tommy, thank you so much, okay? Okay, for your information, yeah, Merko, they have average lifespan, about 40 to 60 years old, okay? Very long lifespan, alright. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, let's continue, guys. Please welcome Jody, our green with Merko. Yeah, this time we have Jody, okay? And you know Merko, they have very loud voice also, yeah? Okay, so over here, 3 empty balls. 1, 2, 3, and the wooden dice. Okay, Tommy will find the dice inside one of the balls, okay? Let us see. Are you ready, Tommy? Focus first. Stop now, Tommy, Jody, okay? Alright, so let us guess together, guys. Where is the dice, okay? Alright, okay, Jody, where is it? Yeah! Very good, Jody, well done. Oh, so relaxed, huh? Okay, how about we try one more time, Mr. Mo? One more time, okay. And this time, let us spin the ball a bit faster. Okay, Jody, one more time, Jody. Focus, please, Jody. Let us guess together, okay? Where is the time? Very fast. So Jody, are you okay? You guys still remember? I forgot already, I'm sorry. So Jody, where is the dice? Come on. Yeah! Well done, Jody. Good job. Okay, wow, you have good vision, Jody. Thank you. Okay, for information, Merko, they have eyesight about 7 times sharper than human being. Okay, very good vision. Thank you. Okay, everybody, let's continue. Now, please welcome Julie, the yellow sulfur crested cockatoo. Yeah, the next bird, Julie. The female cockatoo. Nice name, Julie. Okay, right now we have something here. What is it, Mr. Rahan? Okay, over here we have the color wooden blocks. Looks very easy, right? Let us see how Julie arranged this one. Okay, so Julie will arrange back according to shape and colors. Okay, the first one, green, well done. Yellow, good, and blue. So last one, red. Well done, Julie, good job. Wow, so fast. But let us try one more time, Mr. Ryan. Just not too easy, right? How about we mix the blocks together this time? Okay, one more time, please, Julie. So which color first? Okay, red first. Oops, okay, yep. Yellow. Blue. Okay, one more time, red, Mr. Ryan. Okay, and then green. Okay, let's try one more time. Last one. And red. Well done, Julie. Good job. Wow, you are very clever. Thank you. Okay, for the information, we can identify the gender through the color of their eyes. Males have dark brown eyes and females have red eyes. Okay, amazing. Okay, now please welcome once again Tommy, our blue angle Merko. It's Tommy again. Okay, can play many tricks. Very talented bird, very smart. Okay, right now Tommy will play basketball. Okay. Even parrots also can play basketball in their own style. Okay. So over here we have some hurdles, wooden obstacles, colorful, and basketball tool. Yeah. Now ready, Tommy? Come on. Show them your skill in basketball. Okay. Yellow, blue, red, green. So score go here. Yeah, well done, Tommy. Good job. Wow, you are so good. Thank you so much, Tommy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, up next we are going to have a free flight performance by Macaw, and as a reminder, everybody please remain seated, okay? And now, please welcome Zizu. Over there, Zizu, yeah, okay? Across the leg, you can see right, okay? Shortly, Zizu will fly straight here until there. Everybody just sit down and relax, okay? Do not raise your hand also, yeah? Okay, let's wait for Zizu here, okay? Alright, and for your information, Zizu is a green-winged macaw, same as Jody, is the second largest macaw in the world. Sit down please, sit down, because Zizu want to fly here, okay? And they are native to South America, okay? And their diet, their favorite foods such as sunflower seeds, peanuts, soft fruits, and vegetables, okay? And shortly Zizu will fly back, so please watch your kids, okay? Thank you. Alright. And they are very smart bird. You can teach them a lot of tricks, a lot of words. And also macaw, they have very strong beak there, very hard one. Okay. Alright, thank you Zizu. A big clap to Zizu. Well done. Okay guys, last but not least, okay, I have something here. Yeah, this one. The dustbin, okay. So, also we would like to entertain everyone here, but we also need to respect wildlife and nature. Okay, now please welcome Q, our last blue and gold macaw. Okay, this is Q. Well done, Q. Good job. Okay, so this is good example. If the parrot can do this, also can we, right? So please keep our environment clean. Yeah, excellent. Big hand to Q, our last blue and gold macaw. Right? So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show, and I would like to introduce once again our team of trainers. Okay. On my right side is Mr. Mo with Q. On my left side is Mr. Rohan with Zizu. And my name is Rizwan. Thank you for coming to the Bird Park. Have a nice day and bye-bye. And last words from Q.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye and selamat. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye.
The show is over. It's time to head out and continue our journey.
This one, the bird school.
This is emu, burung emu. Emu bird. So this is the bird school. So inside here. So this is the legend of hornbills, something related to Sarawak, Borneo. They learn to teach us how the eggs. You see how the egg and the birds. the formation of eggs. Education area. See, live chicken. It's all the incubator. This incubator. There is a incubation period for each bird. I guess they do it here themselves. Ostrich, so big. There we have a bird galleries. You can see there if you want to. And you can feed the emu and ostrich.
Careful, I almost tripped there.
This is the prehistoric bird.
Люди боятся реально вот больше, чем... Не, надо не кидать на самого Он кинул, потому что он боится. А он крутит, потом прямо в камеру играет.
I just put here.
Tengah.
There is from there.
Here they put a comparison of man to all the birds. You see, it's an extinct bird as well. They put Moa and Gartonis is really extinct. Yeah. This is the cassowary. You don't get to see this. More people come to take photo here already with Albert and we are exiting to the So we are exiting the bird park. It's a great journey. We are experienced. We get to see the bird show and a good exercise and a good live bird with us. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.